Here's the new fridge, and judging by how worn I am carrying it over from the shop here, I have a feeling that I won't have much to show of this by tomorrow. So maybe this weekend I can show how I got a new refrigerator set up in what is really a mess of an inside of an RV right now. But I am blessed and grateful I might be able to have cold food again sometime soon. Pretty fancy, huh? Here's where it is right now. But I got an idea that maybe I can get it out of the way a bit more. We'll see how it goes.